So stop comparing yourself to others. So people take it always in the negative way, that you shouldn't be comparing yourself to those people who are far more greater than you, far more have achievement, or have a lot of achievements than you right now. But I say the opposite. I say you should look up to those guys. You should compare yourself to those guys who are far more greater than us, who works 10, 20, 100 times more than us. And I'm basically talking about in the field of fitness, in the field of physique, because I wanted to make this video for a very long time, and that's the point. So you see, खास करके I always watch one person. His name is Shizzy, and I compare myself to with him no matter what, every day, every single day, and I never get disappointed once that I cannot achieve that, or that he is on another level which I can never go to or come closer to that level. But that one thing, that one comparing of my physique to his physique is motivating me enough, more than enough. I am, because of that person, I have done proper workouts, I eat proper, I eat clean, I do all my things with the most efficient work, with the most efficient knowledge, and still you will think that you are not even a little closer to him. But that's the point, bro. But that's the point. The point is that you think that I am comparing myself to Shizzy, but he is on another level, and I also know that. और यही एक चीज़ है, I know that, but I am still comparing myself because I am taking it in the most positive way. But you guys, you compare yourselves with a lot of influencers, fitness influencers, and you think that the first word comes to your mouth is that he is not natty, he is enhanced, and you let yourself be lazy with that excuse that he is lazy, he is enhanced, he is not natty, I can never achieve that, so why should I put work to get there? That's the one point. I'm 100% sure that you all guys do that, and that shit is not good no matter what. And you think that I'm comparing myself to Shizzy, he is on an elite level, but I never once said that he's not natty. He's damn natty, I know that for a sure. And that's the video. Never think that you are too weak, never think that you cannot do anything. I can say that you can never have the same physique, but at some point you will have something like that, not the exact one because the genetics are different. And you think that this is the one thing that he's not natty, then I shouldn't be comparing myself to him, or you shouldn't be comparing yourself to any other influencers. But take it in the most positive way, bro. Take it. I have seen a lot of videos on this platform, on YouTube, that people are saying that you shouldn't be comparing yourselves to others who are far more greater level than you. They have come very far in their journey. But it's the opposite with me. If you watch my videos, you can know what's my mindset is. So that's the whole point. Start comparing yourself to others, खास करके in the field of fitness. And that's the whole video. I believe in yourself, I believe in myself, I believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. बाकी मिलते हैं next video में. सलाम.